kindergartners. Welcome back to our third week of our word family work together. Last week we finished our family word, and that was also the end of our cycle. Remember, we were talking about during the first week that we are going through the vowels in our word family work. We had A, E, I, O, U, and when we joined all together, we did ought and those completed our cycle. Now we're going back to A. So our word family for this week starts with the vowel A. But before we do that, we need to make our word family books. So in order to do that, you know the drill. Same thing as always, 3 pieces of paper, fold them in half, cut down the folded line right here. And then once you have folded your 3 pieces of paper in half, that means you have this many in total. 3 plus 3 equals, let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in total. 3 plus 3 is 6. We should have 6 pieces of paper stacked on top of each other. I've already finished mine. Like this, all stacked on top. And we have completed our book. And we're ready to go for our new word family. So we are also going to need, of course, our kindergarten red. There's lots of new first grade words, so we're going to need some first grade orange. We are also going to need purple punctuation. And today, for our first word in our word family book, we're also going to need some yellow in the sentences that we do today. So would you please take out your yellow for second grade? We have 2 yellow words today. And we are ready to begin. Oh, and silly Miss Sorensen, of course, we need a pencil. How could I forget pencil? And my handy dandy, there it is. Had to go through my box. My handy dandy space bar. We are ready. Okay, if you need to take a second to work on your word family book and get it all put together and ready to go ahead and pause the video for a second. Okay, we are going to begin now. And of course, just like we do every week, writing our name at the top of the book. If you decide this is your choice, I like to put my name on the top. Miss Sorensen, writing my name. And then I like to write my room number as well. Ooh, my 3 almost didn't fit on there. Got my Miss Sorensen 103. Okay, I've already told you the first letter in our word family. That was the letter A, because we're starting out. We got the A, E, I, O, U, and we're starting over. So the first letter is A. Let's write the first letter in the middle of our cover, A. And then this word family has 3 letters in it. So we know the A, and then the next 2 letters, A, K, K, K. Right, a C or a K could make that sound. We need both of those letters. We need an A, C, K. Ack. It's our ack word family. A, C, K. Just like that. Ooh, are you already thinking of some ack family words? I have a few in my head already ready to go. Ack. I'm going to put my little line, the little dash mark in front of my ack word family, just so I remember, like I've been doing the last 2 weeks, just so I remember that we're going to be adding some letters in front to finish our ack family words. Okay. When you have finished with that, you're ready to turn the page. Okay, here we go. Turning the page to page 1 in our word family book. Turning my page to page 1. This beautiful empty page is ready for us to write our first ACK family word. Okay. Pencils. Of course, Miss Sorensen's using her gray marker so that you can see it. Pencils. Top, we write our ACK family at the very top middle of our page. Just like that. We're ready for our first word. But of course, we have our pencils out already, so let's draw the middle line. So we have room for our sentences and our pictures. So just to check, ACK at the top, line across. Great. Okay, now you get to choose which marker color or crayon color, whatever you're using, to be the first letter. We only have one letter to finish this word. One letter, so we need to choose a color. I'm going to choose red. And the word that we are writing, that's an ACK family word, is a part of the body. A word that ends in ACK, and it's a part of the body. I wonder what it is. I'll give you a hint. The sound that the letter makes is a B. Did that give you a hint? Oh, I think I heard it. Who has an idea what this ACK family word is? Ooh, nice. I heard it. B. What letter makes the B sound? B. B. ACK. Back. That was our word. Nice work, everyone. That was a good teamwork, good team effort. Back is our ACK family word today. Back. Okay, that means we're ready for our sentence. So, pencils out, space bars ready, and our first word is a kindergarten word. It's the word I. Can you spell that for me? I. Nice job. I, space bar. The next word is the word hurt. I'm going to help us spell that word because it's a little more challenging. First, let's hear it. We hear the first sound. H. I hurt. H. Space bar. H. I. I'll show you what I got so far. I. Ert. There is a vowel before the sound. What makes that sound? Vowel that makes the sound. You, right. It's almost a little silent. Ert. You almost don't hear that sound, but there is a U in there. H-U, and then we hear that R. T. Look at that, we spelled it together. Got some nice teamwork happening today. I hurt. Next word is a kindergarten word. It's the word my. Will you please spell the word my for me? I hurt my. Give me a guess at what you think the next word is going to be. What's your guess? I hurt my back. That's right. And we know how to spell that word. I hurt my back. I had to go underneath. What's my space bar underneath? I hurt my back, period. Will you please get out your purple marker or crayon for a purple period? I hurt my back, period. Next word. This is a first grade word that we have used many times. It's the word, it's an ill family word. Ill, and it starts with the letter W. What word is that? It's an ill family word, and it starts with the letter W. I think I heard it. Right, will. We know that. How do you spell that word? Will you draw it in the air for me so I can see? Oh, yep. Was that your first? Yeah, I see lots of W's. This letter, I. And we know there's two of these letters. Right, W-I-L-L. W-I-L-L. We know that is a first grade word. Will. Next word, kindergarten word, you. You. I hurt my back. Will you? I hurt my back. Will you? Our next word is the word help. H. We need an H. Of course, our space bar first. Will you? What vowel makes the sound? Yeah, E. Right. O, L, P. Nice. Will you help? What do you think it's going to be? Give me a guess. What do you think our last kindergarten word's going to be? Oh, you got it. Will you help me? Kindergarten word, me. What punctuation do you think is going to come here? Will you help me? Right, a question mark. So we need a purple question mark. Backward C, line down, straight line down, and a period at the bottom. Very nice. Okay, let's read it all together. I hurt my back. Will you help me? Good question. Okay, so now there is for sure some kindergarten words in there. So can you take out your first grade marker or crayon and start doing some underlining? Seeing some kindergarten words. Will you show me with your fingers how many kindergarten words you just found in our two sentences? How many kindergarten words? Oh, yep. Yep. Does your number match my number? Let's check. I, what's that word? My, what's that word? You, me. 4 kindergarten words. Now I also said there is some first grade words in here, and we know one of them very well. It starts with a W. Will you please underline that W word in orange? And it also is an ill family word. Right, did you underline will? Great job. Okay, that was our only first grade word in that sentence. But remember how I said we also have 2 second grade words in this word family book. Our first one is our ACK family word. Our ACK family word is a second grade word, and we're already spelling it. What is it? What's our word again? Back. Right. Underlining back. Okay. And our second second grade word, that's why it was confusing me, is in this second, our second grade word is in the second sentence. That's not confusing. It's in the second sentence and it starts with an H. Second sentence, and it starts with an H. What word do you think it is? Right, help, right here. Would you underline that with yellow? and then we're ready to read this all together. Here we go. I hurt my back. Will you help me? Okay, would you please read this to yourself 2 more times? And then you can follow along with us if you need to. I'm going to draw a picture of somebody who hurt their back, or you can draw your own picture of somebody who hurt their back. Your choice. But I'm going to start doing that now, so if you need to pause to do your 2 read-throughs, go for it. And I am going to start drawing. Okay, my first thing that I'm going to draw is a shape. It's a person's head. I'm going to do it kind of like in this area in a small, medium oval. I'm going to do an oval shape. You can do a circle or an oval depending on your person. Did an oval. Okay, next off, we're going to draw, I'm imagining somebody who is hunched over like they hurt their back. You know, sometimes people hold their back like this when it hurts and they lean over like this. So I'm kind of drawing somebody whose the angle of their body is a diagonal, and I'm going to draw it going down. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. Drawing a diagonal down from my person, and that's going to be their back. So there's their head and there's their back. Now I have to draw 2 legs coming out here to show, and straight down like normal, so it looks like they're kind of hunched over, like, ow, I hurt my back. Okay, so now I'm going to draw my 2 legs going downwards, but at a slight diagonal, so you can see that there's, do you kind of see? It's sort of coming out now. You can see his back, and then he's hunched over, and then his legs. Now I'm going to draw an arm, like what I was showing you before, like an arm that's going like this, like holding onto their back. So I'm going to draw another diagonal line, or actually this line is going to go straight like this. I made it go straight out to the side, like that. Straight out, kind of like a medium-sized line, straight line. And then I'm going to draw another line, diagonal, going down that makes a triangle shape. See that? It's the arm that's going like this that's making, do you see my triangle right there? Right. And then you can decide how you want to put the other arm. I'm going to have the person's arm kind of dangling down for the other arm to just kind of show they're really hurting. Sometimes when you hurt your back, you just can't even move. You're just stuck like this. And now that's my person who hurt their back. You can add hair, eyeballs, hands, outfits, mouths, you decide. And you can also add, if you want another person on there helping them, you can decide. Add some detail to our picture. But that is our first ACK family word. Nice work, everyone, and I will see you tomorrow for our second ACK family word. Bye!